So we're having some joy here at the mural after the horror of seeing the damage that the graffiti idiot has done. We've got this clear coat. It's a really horrendously strong 2-pack epoxy clear coat that we apply after the mural's finished. It's part of our process, especially in high-risk areas, and it means that we can actually spray this removal stuff on, and this paint, as long as we grab it really quick after it's been sprayed, which is what we've done, it actually comes off fairly well. So I've handed the cloth to Phil so that I can film him while he's doing it. I'll just switch the camera around so you can see it's really very much a big relief that we can spray this beautiful stuff on, and it's coming off really well, and the paint on the mural underneath is really well protected. So it's going to be a whole pile of scrubbing and rubbing with this stuff, and we'll be able to get it off. And it looks like, even though they've used a purple paint, it's not going to be a staining effect after the stuff has been removed, which is a really big relief. Thanks for watching.